The Story of Yellow by Isabel Schultz.
Hola, my name is Yellow. I live in Icy Land. We're all ice cubes. And when we're 4 days old, we get moved into another part of the country where we melt. And if we are 10 days old, we go to another part of the country that is called the evaporation part. And it's 90 degrees Celsius at that part because when it's 90 degrees Celsius, it starts to boil. We start to boil and evaporate. And if we meet something cold, we turn back into a liquid. That's called condensation. In the days before melting point, Yellow learned some stuff about his own kind. Here are the facts. There are small molecules in every object in the world. Molecule comes from the Latin word molluscula. Only very few objects can melt. On the next slide, I will explain you a bit more about every little subject. Molecules in a solid are very closely packed. They vibrate back and forth from each other. But when it gets hot, the molecules get more energy and can move farther apart from each other. Now they are not so tightly packed anymore. If it gets even hotter, the molecules are not longer bound to each other and can jump and bounce around frequently. And here you can see small molecules. They're trying to, they have more freedom, so they, two molecules, this one and this one, they are actually moving back and forth to each other, but then they move so far apart that they won't come back to each other because the bond broke. And now they can move around frequently, and they also evaporate into the air and turn into gas. And the temperature when this all happened is 85 through 95 degrees Celsius.